Hi everyone, my name is Mariette. I've been working for Glasfit for approximately 14 years already, and yeah, I've been enjoying it immensely. I've gained a lot of experience working here, love working with people. It is really like you become part of a family.
Dit was baie lekker om vir Glasfit te werk. Vandat ek hier begin het, die mense wat ek hier ontmoet het was excellent. Vooral Mariette, ons manager. Sy is baie interessant. Sy is 'n baie goeie mens en ons waardeer haar baie.
Lichtenburg is in Northwest Province, situated between Mariette and Clarksdorp. Porch is also close by. It's basically in the heart of Northwest. Our main services that we provide is glass, flat glass, auto glass, aluminium, any type of aluminium, and keys. That is what we do at Glasfit Lichtenburg.
Glasfit Lichtenburg, so if you are the best, o kana tsa go le ga go tse di screen mo re na le tsa dikoloi re na le tsa di bese re ga go tle bo di screen ba gore.
Glasfit Lichtenburg is quite involved with its community. I mean, as a small community, we work together with the schools, we work together with the old age home, we work together with, our whole community. So we go to the rural community, we go, we do what we can in town as well. We support our local businesses, and they also support us, and that is actually the greatest part of it, that companies inside Lichtenburg support one another. And I think that's what makes us strong, and also the farming community, because if the farming community, if everything is well with them, everything is good in town as well.
Go monate mo Glasfit re bereka monate tota.
Ka service e re etsa mo Glasfit re etsa show ya re di customers tsa rona re di fa service e di tlhokang re ba segela di khalase ka tsela e bona ba tlang di size tsa bona ka yona le gore ha ba tsamaya ba itumetse.
Customer service is very important to Glasfit Lichtenburg, whether it's a chip repair, whether it's flat glass. The reason being we want our customers to be satisfied at all times.